Welcome to the channel. If you're looking for a way to make passive income online without showing your face, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create a faceless YouTube channel using AI tools, including how to generate a talking avatar using Minimax.io. This is one of the best passive income strategies in 2024. No need to be on camera, no expensive equipment, just smart AI tools that do the work for you. Before we dive in, take a moment to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you're excited to learn this. Your support helps me bring you more AI-powered business strategies. The first step in creating your faceless YouTube channel is designing your avatar. Since you won't be on camera, you need a digital representation of yourself. To do this, we start with ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and use a detailed prompt to describe your avatar. Here's an example. A Pixar-style digital avatar of an African woman in her mid-40s with neatly styled micro-lock hair. She wears rounded, stylish eyeglasses, a sleek blazer over a stylish blouse, and looks straight into the camera with a neutral expression. Her hands are visible. The background is a futuristic studio bathed in soft neon lights of purple and teal. Now that we have our avatar prompt, let's create the image using Leonardo.ai. This AI tool will generate a high-quality character that looks professional. Go to Leonardo.ai, input your detailed prompt, select the Pixar-style rendering, and generate the image. Once you find the best version, use the upscale tool to enhance its resolution. Then download it to your computer. Now let's turn this static image into a talking avatar. Step 3. Generate a talking avatar with Minimax.io. Now we'll bring your avatar to life using Minimax.io. This tool will create a talking version of your avatar that syncs with an AI-generated voice. Here's what to do. Go to Minimax.io and upload the avatar image you downloaded from Leonardo.ai. Choose a voice for your avatar in Minimax settings. Paste a script or type in the text you want your avatar to say, click Generate, preview the animation, and adjust as needed. Once you're satisfied, download the animated avatar video. With this, you now have a fully animated digital host for your faceless YouTube channel. Step 4. Generate AI voiceovers with Minimax.io. To create even more videos without using your voice, you can use Minimax.io to generate professional AI voiceovers. Simply paste your video script into Minimax.io, choose a voice that matches your avatar, adjust the speed and tone, and let the AI do the talking. Once you've generated the voiceover, download the audio file. Now, we're ready to put everything together. Step 5. Edit your video using CapCut or Canva. Now it's time to bring everything together. You can use free editing tools like CapCut, Canva, or Adobe Express to combine your talking avatar, AI-generated voiceover, and other visual elements. Here's how to do it. Import your talking avatar video into CapCut or Canva, add the AI voiceover file to sync with the avatar's speech, use background music and transitions for a more polished look, and finally, add captions to increase engagement. Once your video is edited, export it in high resolution. Now it's time to upload it to YouTube. Step 6. Upload and optimize your video for YouTube. Here's how. Title: How to create a faceless YouTube channel using AI. Step-by-step guide. Description: include keywords like AI-generated YouTube channel, faceless YouTube automation, and passive income with AI. Tags: use hashtag #FacelessYouTube, hashtag AI marketing, hashtag YouTube automation thumbnail. Use Canva to design an eye-catching thumbnail, and most importantly, engage with your audience. Ask viewers to comment, reply to them, and keep them coming back. Speaking of engagement, if you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting me know what AI tools you'd like me to cover next. And that's how you create a faceless YouTube channel using AI. We used ChatGPT for avatar prompts, Leonardo.ai for the image, and Minimax.io to generate a talking avatar and voiceovers. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who wants to start their own YouTube channel. I'll be back with more AI-powered business strategies. See you in the next video.